I know a lot of people hate talking on video. They hate the sound of their own voices. They feel like they can't sound professional. And that's why I am really excited about what I'm about to tell you about. And I got to tell you something. I was really pleasantly surprised by what you're going to be seeing. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Fearless. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I am also fearless when it comes to wearing a hat. I wear one pretty much everywhere I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me, my buddy Raymond up here.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Now, if you're new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Feel free to skip ahead. My jokes, they can be as stale as well. Some of Raymond Reddington's stories, they can get kind of long-winded and kind of silly. But anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, this is getting annoying. Okay, I get it. You like crap. Nobody else does. Nobody. So keep it to yourself. Seriously. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like it right, I will give a tip. My hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And you see, Liz, she was my fellow New Yorker. I no longer live in New York. I live in a beautiful small town. You can actually see, by the way, I'm in a different room in our house now. This is my permanent study. I was in a temporary room because we were still working on renovations. We're getting closer to finishing the whole house and getting things ready. And I am super excited to be sharing with you pretty soon a video showing you the entire house. We're going to, do a tour of Shea Hammer, as it were. And I'm really excited to be showing it to you because we love this house so much. It's such a beautiful house. And it's all because of you, because you are what helps build my business. And I hope to help you build your business by helping you with some really cool stuff. Now, anyway, as I was saying, so if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. And let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Fearless. Now, this is really, really cool. You see, basically the idea is like this. With Fearless, you can create audio tracks. So people will send you a request that they need, this script read. Now, I've done this before myself, where I actually read the scripts because I don't mind talking on video or on audio. But the truth of the matter is that even when I read them, I still mess them up sometimes. And I have to go over back and forth and cut things out and paste things in and really try to make sure that I get it exactly right. And I was pleasantly surprised because usually these AI things, I didn't want to talk about it first because my soul was like, oh God, one of those AI things that will, make audio for you. I was like, yeah, that's never going to work. These things never pan out. And you know what? This one does. I'm going to show you. I was really, really pleasantly impressed. Hopefully you'll be able to hear what I'm hearing. I do have, I'm using the regular speakers, not a headset. If you see my videos in the past, I've used a headset where I could hear, but you couldn't. So I'm using my sound bar on my new computer. Well, so my old computer, new monitor. But anyway, I'm using the sound bar, so hopefully you'll be able to hear it. Basically, what Fearless does is that it actually creates audio content, but it's really, really high quality. Okay, you can seriously hear it perfectly, and it doesn't sound like robotic at all. I was super impressed. Now, I also do want to tell you before we start looking at this about my custom bonus, and also how to get this for only $6.88. Okay, first of all, my custom bonus. So what I'm going to be giving you as my bonus is truly an impressive package. You're going to be getting access to over 2,000 video clips that you can use to create your own custom video. So in addition to just creating the audio clips, you'll be able to use this content to create video clips as well. So you're going to have that included for free. It's usually a $47 product. You're going to get with this thing for $6.88, which is totally insane. But I'm not done yet. Pick up any upgrade. And in addition to that, I'm also going to give you PLR to my very own course on Davinci Resolve, which is the software that I use for editing all of my videos. It's really, really good. It does the job beautifully, and I'm really impressed with it. Now, let me show you real quick how this software works. It's super easy. So let's say I'm just going to go with English because I know for sure that I'll understand what they're talking about, because otherwise I have no idea what they're talking about. So let's go with English US. You actually get a whole bunch of different voices. Now, I know that there are other softwares that do this. There's even Amazon Polly that's just free, but frankly, Amazon Polly doesn't sound like this. I'll type in something real quick. I just typed in, this is just a test to see how well this works. Now, a lot of these other softwares that I've seen that do this kind of thing, they tend to be pretty bad at it. They sound robotic. This thing, I was really impressed. Check this out.
This is just a test to see how well this works.
That actually sounds completely human. I would never know. Okay, this one I haven't even heard yet. Let's check this one out.
This is just a test to see how well this works.
Okay, so that one sounds more robotic. That's more what I expected to hear, but I tried the male A, and I believe with the male D I tried as well.
This is just a test to see how well this works.
And that one sounds completely natural. A lot of these actually sound really, really good. And you can see also they have numerous different languages, which I can see that being a huge plus, because what you can do is you can actually create your videos in different languages and put them up on YouTube and be able to take market share from other places that wouldn't ordinarily be able to offer you a sale because the people don't necessarily speak English. Just out of curiosity, and I have no idea whether this is going to work or not because I had this in English. I don't know if it's going to translate, but let's see what it does.
This is just a test to see how well this works.
So that's really impressive, and you're seeing this at the same time I'm seeing this. It actually not only did it actually render it in Japanese, it translated it into Japanese. I'm assuming that's okay because I don't speak Japanese, so I wouldn't really know whether or not that actually worked or not correctly, if that sounded right or not at all. In Japanese, it sounded natural to me, but I don't know anything about Japanese. Let's see. You can try Spanish. I know a little bit of Spanish.
This is just a test to see how well this works.
Okay, that was just a Spanish accent. That didn't work. But okay, maybe the Japanese was Spanish, was a Japanese accent. I don't really know. Bottom line is, what you can do is you can also go ahead and use Google Translate to translate it over and stick it in there. But the important thing, as far as I'm concerned, is that the English actually sounded really, really good, which I was pleasantly surprised by. I didn't expect that to be. Now let's just try one more just for the heck of it.
This is just a test to see how well this works.
And that sounds completely natural to me. It doesn't sound at all robotic, which is what I usually expect. We're going to see with these things. It sounded completely natural. It sounded good. It was actually really, really easy to understand. And you know what? That's something you don't see with these AI things that are supposed to turn text into speech. Usually they sound more like Alexa. And I have one on my desk here. Fortunately, it didn't activate. Anyway, but this actually sounds really, really natural. I honestly would not realize that these were text to speech. So really impressive stuff. Let's see if I'm going to give a tip my hat's about a creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I was really impressed. And $6.88 for this? That's completely insane. Oh, let me share real quick so you can see how to do this to get the $6.88. And so we're looking again at the sales page. Let me reload it real quick here. Basically, all you do is try to exit, and it's going to give you $2 off for $6.88. It says $8.88. So that $6.88, you're getting my 2,000 clips, okay? And pick up any upgrade. You're also going to get PLR to my course on Davinci Resolve. Plus, of course, you're getting this entire package. I think that's really insane. Grab this one, you're going to love it.